Then Tuesday, Your Lordship.
Tuesday. As
Item number 60 and 61, my lord. Today is this.
and the first matter to be called will be item 60 and 61. Just wait for a minute. Yes.
Lordship's permission
For a number
for all the respondents.
for the affidavit and the records. Item 30.
Yes, his name is not there.
That that they have been recently
My lord, this is a pension matter, my lord.
allow it. Rupak, sir,
My lord, my understanding.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Here the conducting counsel, Mr. A.R. Shom, is unwell today, lordship.
fixed by the registrar.
Can it be
Registry.
after a week, lordship?
Next.
May I please, your lordship?
Name.
S.M. Munir.
Have you informed the I have almost this is
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number.
as prayed for by Mr.
L.
by the registry. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of an item.
You please.
Much.
अपनी side पे ले record. He is not here. Item 32. Wait. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this regular bail application.
First day.
First day, lordship.
What?
Lordship, 59 days, 60 days.
All right.
period.
Next.
59 days.
offense.
90 days offense. Petitioner submits that he has received instructions from his client. You have the seal. We'll take it out. When the matter is called, list after 4 weeks on a date to
My lord, this is regarding my lord.
areas court had granted due time.
Yes,
Mrs.
And presentation is there. Lordship may dispose of this presentation.
My lord, some time limit may be given.
Yes.
SARMA Sharma, Learned.
Sip second.
Stop. His grievance that despite has not yet been released. Stop. T1. The petitioner was basis and has been discharging his due to submit Treasury Bank details for release of his salary. Stop. Director of Health Services Assam for release of his area 6/11/2023. This court is of the considered view that for especially respondent number
Respondent number
petitioner and dispose of this be carried out within the time frame as mentioned above to furnish certified copy of the order and 1 month from the date of receipt of the certified copy. Mr. Mondal, submit a copy of the order.
Obliged.
All right.
My lord, what? That no indication is.
This has already been done, so nothing remains.
No, nothing
Your grievance respondent
Respondent number 1, 2, Lordship, 2, 5.
1, 2,
3, 4, and 5.
1. All right. Stop. The grievance 5 is constable with a registration number 858000210. Stop. The petition and thereafter on number. Stop. Of allotment of PPO number while the petitioner was filed. Correct? Stop.
Lordship.
PPO has been issued and this petition has set PPO to the bank. Stop. Instruction dated 18 March 2020. State Bank of India.
Mushalpur branch.
Which branch?
Mushalpur branch.
Please ask your junior to write it and give it. Time being motion matter. Why?
First petition, that speaking was order is under challenge.
For the petitioner, stop. Also heard Mr. P. Soikia, learned government advocate for respondent number 3. Have entered appearance. This is already issued, Mr. Khatonia.
Sometimes so that I can bring it on record.
Stop. In the meantime, any other respondent wants to file the return, please do. Delete the front.
My lord. May it please your lordship.
Bar for transferring of temporary employee, Mr. Dhar.
There is no bar. There is no bar, my lord.
Yes.
But considering
It's already implemented.
Yes, my lord.
Been issued. So we'll issue notice in the meantime, Mr. As what? Additional senior government advocate? 3 weeks. Stop. List.
Lordship matter may be adjourned for
The
Anna Chaudhary.
There's a suspension matter.
The only thing is, Lordship, my
Subsistence allowance will not. NJ Khatonia, learned counsel for respondent numbers. Sorry. This is an order dated 30/4/2002 issued by the district of the petitioner, was kept on such by the registry.
Item number 9.
Yes, my lord.
And is going to place the same by way
Yes, my lord. All the rest.
All- list after 4. Second.
Under Rule 6(2), my lord. Thereafter,
Yes.
only my lord, show cause notice.
My lord, that I have to find out, my lord. But, my lord,
Dhar, we are posting this because this has
my lord will fix the matter on Friday, my lord. In between,
in the matter.
Item number.
You have not received your retirement benefit.
So that is the irony, Lordship, and what they are proposing to do, Lordship, of that promotion.
Where is that order?
That in
Before issuing this, heard Mr.
P.N. Sharma.
P.N. Sharma, learned counsel, numbers 1 to 5. Stop. Is the impugned orders dated 9/5 are null and void, and for the purpose of pension and other copies, you say, Mr. Your name?
P.N.
Item number 14. Order implement of party.
Registered Assam Agriculture University. He was not
Required?
for
I, Borthakur, learned Standing Counsel.
On behalf of Standing Council.
Learned Counsel, Mr. G. Sharma for respondent number 2. Anyone? Peace Aikya, Accountant General, Assam, Direct
Oh yeah, I can appear.
for respondent number 5. The one, because there may be some confusion. Stop. In the Canadian witness, stop. Mr. Agriculture University is presence of the registrar. This could be implemented as respondent number 8 in the for doing the needful. Stop. No. What is your instruction saying? If an affidavit,
I will place the matter. Maybe that's why.
Ms. Beltola, to the effect that the petitioner has already been receiving his pension, the entitled pension. Or pension. Next. Area salary. Counter affidavit has been filed. We shall have it on record. Your name?
P. Majumdar, Lordship.
Mr. P. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has filed affidavit in reply on 21/3/2024. Stop. However, the same is not on record. Let registry to
Item number 17.
18 to
Grievance has already been fulfilled.
and also heard Mr. D. Dhar, learned
R. Madam.
R. Dhar, learned counsel for respondent numbers.
My lord, I am appearing here.
Once of the petitioner has already learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
My lord, I am for 25, my lord.
Yes. Into
26.
17 to 20. In the meantime, you get your instructions. This is not on record. 28, huh? 28.
19 to 24.
19 to 2024. However, the same is. Yes, 28.
29.
Lordship, fix at 3.
At 3:15. When do you want it? Monday?
Lordship.
Petitioner lists this matter on Monday. Yes? Anything that you are saying, please speak slowly. Interesting prayers are coming for adjournment. Having not arrived within the premises,
Especially the cases
Or others of 4 your lordship is the Thursday.
counsel for respondent number 2, 3, 4 and 5 submits that this matter on 4/4/2024.
On 22nd of March, over that department, after vacation, we will Education Department, Lordship.
Respondent numbers.
Lordship. Inquiry committee has been constituted.
Inquiry committee has already been constituted. Is this matter after 2 weeks?
After 2 weeks.
After. Wait. What is the instruction you have got, Mr. Gogoi?
Financial sanction has been given by the finance department.
Koi Learned Counsel for respondent number of the release of what?
My lord, the
From the health department and instructions as regards the payment.
45 financial
Yes,
sanction
because
has
we
been
are
given.
not interested from where. Have you filed any affidavit?
No, my
46, you say none appears. These are pension matters. Petitioner also nobody's call. Stop. List after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the.
They are supposed to file affidavit.
Yes, R7.
Yes.
No. Affidavit of service. Appearing. Counter. What has happened?
Lordship may allow.
Affidavit of service in respect of a counter affidavit without fail. 23/4/2024. Yes. For Mr.
So
Dekka.
justice service is complete for the respondent number 3. So for you have paid, make
So let us first see your affidavit.
is received. Acknowledged.
854. Which is your IST service? You have filed an additional affidavit.
Yes, I will come to a merit. This is merit
No,
of
no.
the case. Subsequent development is getting not.
You should have called for it. Urgency was yours. Did not give the requisition to the court master. Mr. P. name is not available on record. Stop.
35.
5. The supplementary files are still not in court. So let the files come and then. For some reasons the file still has not.
And so obliged.
Yes, Mr. Borthakur.
Yes, my lord.
Still the petitioner is not there.
When my lord contacted him and informed also.
He is on interim.
He is on interim.
It will take me 1 minute to cancel the interim, but it is the liberty of the petitioner which is concerned here. How can the petitioner simply not appear after getting interim orders? I don't understand in anticipatory bail. CD is also there.
City is also there. Otherwise, they appeared my lord before the
He has appeared.
Appeared.
Any adverse materials?
no suspect.
No adverse materials.
Okay.
Then we shall make it absolute.
Yes, sir.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Stop. Heard Mr. P. Borthakur, learned additional public prosecutor for the state respondent. Stop. It appears that by order dated 28/2/2024, the petitioner was granted interim pre-arrest bail with subject to conditions. Stop. Mr. P. Borthakur, learned APP, submits that the petitioner has appeared before the investigating officer in terms of the interim pre-arrest bail order granted earlier. Stop. He further submits that the statements of
My
the
lord, statement not available, only bail bond. Bail bond is available.
he submits that the petitioner is cooperating and there are no adverse materials available on record against the petitioner. Stop. Considering the aforesaid, this court is of the considered view that further custodial interrogation of the petitioner may not be necessary for the ongoing investigation. Stop. Accordingly, the interim pre-arrest bail granted earlier by order dated 28/2/2024 is hereby made absolute subject to the following conditions of stop. 1, 2, 3 Didiba, cooperation and all that. With the aforesaid observation, this anticipatory bail application stands disposed of.
It may not be recorded that there is no adverse material because my lord, they.
You have made that submissions, Mr. Borthakur, at this stage.
That is,
Item number 6061. Item number 52.
Last part is Didiba. There number আছে কি আনবো আর This is the supplementary, right?
No, please.
One second. The supplementary obligation. এটা আছে আছে Yes, instructions.
Lordship, the Commissioner Panchayat and Rural Development Department sent the pension proposal to the Secretary, Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department on 19 October 2022. So, Lordship, in this case,
19 to 24.
1910-2022.
22.
So, Lordship, in this notice may go, will take update instructions.
No, but what has happened thereafter? This is the instructions which you had already given on
No,
the last occasion.
date was
Date was not given.
Lordship.
Notice is not issued till now.
No, Lordship.
You have not received no pension from 2022.
No, my lord. From 1992 he was retired, my lord.
From
1992, my lord.
1992.
My lord.
You haven't received your pensions.
My lord,
What is happening, Ms. Bora? How can pension not be paid? We are giving a last chance. You better have your instructions, otherwise this court knows what is to be done. We will pass adverse orders. This cannot be done. Pension is not a bounty.
Lordship, we have received some instructions, but then
Your instruction says it was passed in 2022.
Lordship.
From 1992 he hasn't received his pensions. What has happened after 2022 is also not available with you. Then
So, Lordship, kindly notice may go, will take update instructions.
notice, that is a different thing. But there should have been some positive instructions. This writ petition has been filed when?
My lord,
In the month of January 2024. By now, one should have been more careful because there is already a case pending. If he is entitled, it should be released. Isn't it, Mr. Borpujari? These are pension matters. It cannot be taken so casually by the departments. Kindly send the signals. When should we have it? We are issuing notice, but we are giving you a very short time for filing your returns. Only 1 week time. MS N. Bora, Standing Counsel. PNRD department submits that she has received the instructions sought for by this court by order dated 22/3/2024. Stop. Let the same along with the reasons for not releasing the pension to the petitioner be placed by way of an affidavit within a period of 1 week from today. Stop.
Kindly 2 weeks.
No. In the meantime, the other respondents are also at liberty to file their respective returns in the matter. Stop. List this matter after 1 week at a date.
9th of April.
9/4/2024. Stop. It is needless to clarify that the grievance of the petitioner being non-release of pension since 1992, it is expected that the respondents in the respective departments take note of the seriousness of the matter and submit their return without fail before the next date. Stop. List accordingly.
I know that, my lord.
Item number 53.
That matter is going to be withdrawn, my lord. Let it come next week.
Withdrawn.
Yes, my lord. Likely to be withdrawn next week.
In item 53, your C. Goswami.
See, Goswami.
As prayed for by Mr. C. Goswami, list this matter after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Okay.
Item number 54.
The petitioner presently serving as Holog Limited Education Officer. During his service, an FIR was lodged against him under section 354 and POCSO. Then, Lordship, the petitioner, as the case is registered under non-bailable section, he applied for medical leave and some ground and approached before this honorable court. This honorable court, after hearing and perusal of the case diary, privilege of interceptory bail was given to him. Thereafter, he joined. Now, Lordship, the department has made an inquiry, and pursuant to the inquiry,
Notice.
Lordship, kindly sit for a moment. Page 31.
Yes.
That is page 31. That is sent on 18th of January.
Page.
30, Lordship.
30. Yes.
This is the inquiry report that is submitted 18th of January by the Director Division to Secretary. And
Yes.
page 31, Lordship, the inquiry order. Lordship,
Yes.
may I read for a moment, Lordship?
Yes.
Second para from the bottom.
You want stay of this?
I am not asking for a stay, Lordship.
Then let notice be issued.
Let them take the instruction. Only 3 suggestions has been given, Lordship.
What instruction you want?
Lordship, already they have suggested to no work, no pay, or either transfer from the peasant.
So what is the instruction that you want?
Yes, Lordship, shorted medical.
Heard Mr. S.U. Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
S.U. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard
G. Pegu, my lord.
Mr. G. Pegu, Learned Counsel for respondent numbers.
All the respondents.
For the respondents. Stop. By this writ petition, the petitioner is seeking quashing and setting aside of the inquiry report dated 18/1/2024, issued by the DEE Assam, by which a punishment to the effect of no work, no pay under the relevant FR and SR rules where it was inflicted inter alia against the petitioner. Stop. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. G. Pegu accepts notice for all the respondents. Extra copies within the course of the day. List after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Maybe state lordship. The impugnator may be state lordship.
No. Yes.
Item number 55.
My lord, it's my lord, area salary.
Monthly area salary.
Lordship.
Why it is not being paid? Yes, salary.
Lordship, that instruction, Lordship, I will have to receive, Lordship. Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, let notice be issued, Lordship, I will get my instruction.
Notice we shall issue, that is not a problem. The thing is that why the salary is not being paid. Salary matters, you cannot be sitting silently.
And my lord, by 31st of March, my lord, we are going to be released, my lord. So that is the notice.
Okay, 30. This is 55.
55 and 56.
Same.
Same, matter.
Heard Mr. G.C. Bora, Learned Counsel for the respondent. Stop. Also heard Mr.
D. Upamanya.
D.
Upamanya. Manya.
Upamanyu.
Yes, Lord.
Learned Standing Counsel Health.
Yes, Lord.
Stop. The grievance of the petitioner in this writ petition is non-releasing of the monthly area salary for discharging duty as sanitary attendant for national program for the healthcare of the elderly in Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, Guwahati. Stop. Issue notice, returnable 1 week.
Lordship.
Issue notice, returnable 1 week. Mr. So-and-so Upamanyu, Learned Counsel for the respondent, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Yes.
Stop. Extra copies within the course of the day. Stop. Keeping in mind the grievance of the petitioner, it is expected that the necessary instructions be placed by way of an affidavit before the next date. Stop. List this matter after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item number 57.
56, my lord, same order.
55 and 56 same, right? Same order.
See, petitioner is staff nurse, my lord.
In 56,
Staff
it is
nurse.
staff nurse. Staff nurse about 56. Yes.
Highly appreciated.
Yes. 57. Anyone appearing? This has come by order. Yes. Transfer.
Transfer, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord? Your lordship kindly say petitioner is presently serving as block accountant in Borkhetri Education Block, my lord.
Block accountant. Yes.
Block accountant. Here in this Borkhetri block, he is serving for about 8 months, 10 days. Now, my lord, the petitioner along with one Rafiqul Islam, my lord, they filed a joint petition, my lord, for their accommodation in their respective, my lord, post, my lord. The petitioner wants to, my lord, to go Boriguk,
Your application is not been considered.
My lord, that is not, my lord. Your lordship kindly see that for 1 minute, my lord. When their joint application is processing, a report was called for. My lord, your lordship kindly see the joint application first. My lord, my lord.
Page,
my lord. Page 20, my lord.
20?
20, my lord.
Yes.
This is their joint application. Petitioner wants to go, my lord, from Borkhetri to Borigog Bongao, and that Rafiqul Islam from Bongao to Borkhetri. This is the joint application, my lord. When the
In Borkhetri, you were there since last 8 months.
8 months only.
And now you want to go where?
Go where, my lord? Bongao, my lord. Bongao.
To Bonbhag.
Borigog, Bongao. Bonbhag.
You want to go to Borigog, Bonbhag.
Bonbhag. And that Rafiqul, my lord, he wants to come Borkhetri from Bongao.
So you both have decided to
Accommodate, my lord.
accommodate each other,
My lord.
and that is how you have filed a joint application.
Joint application.
Yes,
My
then
lord. Then, my lord, report was called for, my lord.
Yes.
Page 21, my lord. My lord, report says, my lord, since, my lord, short period they are serving in their respective post, cannot be transferred. This is my indication.
I
here.
think there are some guidelines, the
Guideline,
minimum
my lord.
period
That is
they
my
should
lord.
serve in that
My lord,
permanent posting, isn't it, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
Guideline, my lord, yes.
But Lordship, Annex 5, page 21.
Yes.
Here the report submitted by the district mission coordinator as called for by the additional district commissioner.
Yes.
Lordship, here Lordship will find and there are some documents which has been annexed with this report, but it's not in the repetition. That may have a bearing on the ultimate decision by the additional.
All right,
district
we will
commissioner.
issue notice. We will give a short date. Let you file your affidavit.
my lord, only 1 minute, my lordship, kindly, my lord, consider, my lord. Your lordship, impugn order, kindly see, my lord. Page.
Mr. Counsel, we cannot grant transfer today. You can't. That would be a final relief.
lord,
We
I
cannot
know, my
grant
lord,
that
my
today,
lord.
right? So let them file their reply. You save your energy for the next date. Because unless and until the
My lord.
affidavit is filed, we shall not. How will this court decide this petition?
My lord, your lordship, impugn order, my lord.
Yes.
Impugn order itself states, my
Which
lord,
is
on
the
their
impugn
own
order?
request.
Page 21.
Page 23, my lord. On their own request, my lord. Request from my side, not. My lord, your lordship, kindly see. on
You are
their-
Mr.
Page 23.
No,
my
you
lord.
are Hemanta Mormon.
I am, my lord, Govindo Pal, my lord. My lord, my interest goes to my lord.
You have been transferred to Nalbari
Nalbari, Borigo, Borigo, Bongao.
against their names
Against my lord.
on their own interest. Prima facie, it appears that it is not as per his wish.
Not my lord. That is.
Have
my
you
case.
joined?
No, my lord, not joined, my lord. That is my case.
When do you have to proceed
My lord, my
with
lord,
immediate effect?
Immediate effect, my lord. My lord,
You have still not gone.
not joined, my lord. He also not joined, my lord.
Status quo then, and you have the instructions
Lordship may take
tomorrow
it up
or
next-
Monday.
Lordship next week, anytime.
Monday.
On the other hand,
All right, Mr.
my lord,
57.
57, my lord.
You are Mr. A. Manaf.
Amen.
Heard Mr. A. Manaf, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. B.
B. Chaudhary for
B. Chaudhary for respondent numbers.
1, 2 and 3.
For respondent numbers
2 and
1.
3. Lordship, 2 and 3.
Sorry, for respondent number 2 and 3, right? And yes. And Mr. P.N. Sharma, learned counsel, learned government advocate. Learned Standing Council Elementary Education for respondent number 1. And what about 4 and 5? Mr. R. Dhorf, as what? As additional, Mr. R. Dhor, learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number 4 and 5. Stop. Then you, Lekhiba. The petitioner, by filing the instant writ petition, is challenging the transfer order dated 16/3/2024, by which the petitioner is sought to be transferred from his present posting, i.e. Borkhetri, to Nalbari, to Pub Nalbari, allegedly stating that the said transfer is as per the interest of the petitioner, whereas it is apparent on the face of the record that the petitioner along with another incumbent by a joint application dated 4/3/2024 had sought mutual transfer between Borigog, Bonbhag and Borkhetri Education Block. Stop. Issue notice, returnable 1 week. Stop. Mr. Chaudhary accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3. Mr. Sharma accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Mr. Dhar accepts notice in respect of respondent number 4, 5. Extra copies to be filed within the course of the day. Notice by registered post AD in respect of respondent number 6. Prima facie, it appears that the impugned transfer order is not as per the interest of the petitioner. Stop. As such, let status quo be maintained till the next date. Stop. List on
Lordship, on 5th or 8th?
5. List on 8/4/2024.
8.
Status quo, yes.
Item number 58.
This is a transfer of the lordship, and petitioner has been enjoying the lordship stay order for.
Some instruction appears to be on record. Has this been filed by way of an affidavit?
My lord, already that instruction is on record on the last day. A representation was submitted by the petitioner.
Yes.
And that was disposed of by the authority, my lord. In fact, the matter has become infructuous, my lord. My lord will just peruse the order dated 28/4/22.
Problem, Mr. Dhar, is petitioner unrepresented.
My lord, that is the problem, my lord. He has been enjoying this interim order for the last 2 years, my lord.
Yes, but on the last occasion, this communication was directed to be furnished to the petitioner. Now, what has happened after that, we don't know. Petitioner is not there today. There is a judicial order, 21st March. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List after 2 weeks?
No, lordship, can it be on Monday, lordship?
List on Monday. List on Monday. Stop. In the meantime, you inform the council. If on Monday is unrepresented, then of course. Just once, you also add that Mr. R. Dhar submits that in view of the instruction dated 16 March 2024, this writ petition has perhaps become infructuous. Stop. On the next date, no, don't say it. Already you recorded your submission and we have posted it on Monday.
Item number 59.
This is your lordship. My lord, this matter relates to not receiving non-payment of increased basic pay scale by the petitioner, my lord.
There was a reply affidavit. Yes, that has been traced. Yes, non-payment of?
Increased basic.
Why is it not paid?
No, we have paid, lordship. They have filed affidavit and we have filed a reply. They have given their calculation, which they have revised, my lord. But they have not paid as per this calculation, my lord. We have filed a reply, my lord, at page 105 of our affidavit in reply. And there, my lord, a calculation is given in their affidavit, page 94, my lord.
At 104?
At 105, this is our reply, and their affidavit is 94, my lord. Running page.
According to you, you have received less amount of the revised pay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Ms. Chaudhary, have you obtained instruction on the reply? The chart is given at page 105.
First of all, lordship, this writ petition, when it is filed, lordship, it is the prayer of this writ petition is only the 40% of subsistence allowance during the suspension period.
1 second, let her submit.
And for disposal of his 2 representation. During the pendency of this writ petition, we have stated that we have we have also paid him the increased amount which he is applicable after 2 years of his.
Where is that in your affidavit? Page?
Yes, page 94. Running page 94. We have stated that.
1 second.
Yes, from 93.
And where is the prayer of the writ petition?
Prayer page 24.
commanding the respondent also to grant the benefits of revised increased pay scale, including the remaining 40%.
Niren Bora.
The authorities to grant the benefits of revised
Increased pay scale, including remaining 40% subsistence allowance. Yes.
So subsistence allowance, we have stated that at that time he was under suspension, and that is which is by the Honorable Court in the earlier writ petition, and that remained because that was not challenged by the petitioner. So that part, Lordship, we have stated that he is entitled for 60% during his suspension, and that is already paid.
Where have you said all this in your affidavit?
Yes, Lordship. From page 94 and 95.
Yes. Para 8?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. What is this chart in page 94?
94 is that, Lordship. Now he is entitled for revised and increased pay, and accordingly we
have paid.
Yes, Lordship.
My Lord, we have not denied this. My Lord,
Once again, Ms. Let the government first submit. We'll come back to you. Yes. So as per the revised pay scale, you've said that that has been already resolved.
Yes.
And as per 40%, you are saying?
That 60% we have already paid because
60% you have paid.
Yes.
Since the rule is
Yes.
that 53
Yes, Lord.
FR.
Yes. That order was not challenged, so that period for
Yes.
suspension.
Now what do you have to say to this?
My Lord, that my Lord, I do not praise.
You do not praise. But what is your grievance?
The increased basic pay, my Lord.
You are disputing that.
Yes,
How
my
will this court go into these?
My Lord, they have made the calculation is okay, my Lord.
Then?
They are paying less, my Lord. So, my Lord, a direction may be given to pay as per their own calculation, my Lord.
So
At page
according to
105.
you, they have correctly
Yes, my Lord.
revised it. But what you are receiving is less than what has been directed to pay.
Yes.
Is that your grievance?
Yes, my Lord. At page 105,
Lordship,
I have stated.
Very well. In that case, I think this matter can be disposed of with the direction that as per the entitlement they should
that
make.
is, respondent have themselves given that cert. So
No,
possibly,
you
Lordship,
see, we are not giving any direction. This court will merely say that whatever is the entitlement that they have resolved, strictly as per that they should pay to the petitioner.
then Lordship may kindly come to page 105.
Yes.
That is their chart in reply to my chart.
Yes.
In first clause, Lordship, according to them, we are supposed to pay him 23,800.
But he has received 18,000
for only 1 month, or whether it is continuing or for 1 month. That is
You
also
see,
not
Ms.
clear.
Chaudhary, that is why, because since it is not clear, instead of keeping this matter pending, we will dispose it. The authorities will check and as per entitlement will pay. If they were entitled to be paid 23,800, that is what they should have been
That
paid.
may be
Correct?
deduction.
Suppose it is a deduction in terms of in accordance with law. That is different. We will simply say that as per entitlement, they should be the payment should be made.
Yes.
That's all.
As per this chart, after necessary deduction.
Your MS SB Chaudhary?
Yes.
Heard MS SB Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard MS
B. Sharma.
B. Sharma, Learned Counsel for all respondents. Learned Counsel.
CGC.
Huh?
Learned
CGC for the respondents. Stop. By filing the writ petition, the petitioner is seeking direction from the respondent authorities to grant the benefits of revised / increased pay scale, including the remaining 40% subsistence allowance due to him. Stop. Next para. Stop. This matter relates to depriving the petitioner from receiving increased basic pay scale with effect from 18/3/2019 within bracket capital FN in terms of Office Order dated 12/9/2019 issued by the respondent authorities while considering the case of the petitioner in compliance of the direction of this Honorable Court vide judgment dated 29/1/2019 delivered in WPC number 5043 of 2012. Stop. It appears from the affidavit filed by the respondent authorities that the case of the petitioner was re-examined there was a disciplinary proceedings.
Yes, Lordship, de novo order is 98, Lordship.
That pursuant to the de novo inquiry order, comma, the case of the petitioner was re-examined and the punishment of, within quotes diba, stoppage of one annual increment from the date of accrual of next increment for a period of 2 years and withholding will have the effect of postponing his future increment of pay, close quotes, was modified into, within quotes again, stoppage of one annual increment from the date of accrual of next increment for a period of 2 years and withholding will not have the effect of postponing his future increment of pay, close quote. You will find this in page 93. Stop. Accordingly, the pay of the petitioner has been refixed vide order dated 22/9/2023, which is as follows. The chart you will find at page 94. This chart is admitted, isn't it?
Yes.
Page 94, huh? It appears from the above that the first grievance of the petitioner for extending the benefit of revised pay scale has already been resolved and the refixation of pay order has also been issued as mentioned in the as mentioned here in above. Stop. 40% you are not pressing. It further appears from the affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner that the petitioner has stated that though the petitioner was required to be paid rupees 23,800 in the month of August 2019 as per the revised pay scale, right? Revised pay scale, he had received rupees 18,375 in the aforesaid month. Stop.
Next two are same. There is no possibility. There is no dispute.
In support of the aforesaid submission, the petitioner has placed a chart in the affidavit in reply, which is as hereunder. Stop. Page 105. Stop. Next, you say. Considering that the grievance of the petitioner as regards the increase of the pay scale has already been addressed and the endorsement made by the learned counsel for the petitioner to that effect, comma, this court for the ends of justice disposes of this writ petition with the direction that the petitioner, in terms of the entitlement as per the revised pay scale, should be paid. Stop. That's all. Anything else?
Lordship, that deduction maybe as tax etc. or maybe some that
By making necessary deductions, if any, in terms of law, in accordance with law. Stop. As such, with the aforesaid observation, this writ petition stands disposed of.
Item number 60 and 61.
Yes. Withdrawal.
Withdrawal matter.
Miss-
Actually, the matter is relating to the suspension. And in the DP was thereafter DP was closed and they reinstated the petition again.
Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter relates to suspension. However, in the meantime, the inquiry has been completed and the final order has been passed, and the petitioner has also been reinstated in service
On
after
16th
lifting
On 16/3/2024.
on 16/3/24. Stop. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, nothing survives in this writ petition. Stop. As such, this writ petition is disposed of on being infructuous. Stop. On top, you say heard Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr.
D. Bora.
A.
D. Bora.
D. Bora. D. Bora, learned counsel for respondent number
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Stop.
In both the writ petitions.
Same order in
Well,
item
different
60 and 61, both disposed of. And is it required to be kept on record? You are appearing?
Yes, Lordship. And for number 1, Lordship.
And Mr.
S. Doctor.
S. Doctor for learned counsel for respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Have you got that correctly? Yes.
The order may be a part of the record.
A copy of the order dated 16/3/2024 is kept on record.
Much.
Interim order may be vacated.
No, there's no
Interim orders, if
No interim order.
no interim. Yes, Mr. Bora, what submission are you making? There is no interim order. Don't make unnecessary celebration before this court. Yes, Mr. Bora.
No.
So both 60/61 disposed of.
Much.
Sorry, my lord, I missed out item 48.
Yes, item
48, my lord.
48. Yes, Mr. Khan. What in 48 we have already passed some order.
I'm sorry, my lord.
48. This is that pension matter.
They were directed to obtain the instructions, my lord. As he retired or...
I think we have posted it after a week. It took 48 ki dislo? 1 week. In 48 you record presence of Mr. S. Khan for petitioner instead of non appears for petitioner.
Similar pair, madam. I am extremely sorry, but I was out of...
Where? Which item?
Item number 58, madam.
58 to kitya dislo?
Next Monday.
It's on Monday, but you record. Give your name to the court master.
Yes, madam.
Record.